Hello guys, welcome to Libra, Philippines. This is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Love reading guys. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Readers, search mo na siya sa Facebook, sa TikTok, etc. No? Meron din siyang sarili niyang YouTube channel. And then, yeah. Paki-subscribe na lang at pa-comment sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, any positive comments will do. Okay, let's start your reading, Libra. Kung gusto mo ng career reading, meron akong mga videos na ginagawang career, Libra career, ganun. So, yan. Kasi may mga nagko-comment, sabi gusto nila ng iba naman, ayaw naman nila ng love reading, or gusto nila makarinig kasi medyo may edad na sila, so gusto nila medyo ayaw nila ng love reading kasi pang bagets, etc. Well, I do almost daily love reading. Pag sinabi kong almost daily love reading, halos lahat ng ginagawa kong reading sa daily or araw-araw, I love, no? So, kung gusto mo ng career, meron tayong separate video for that. Three of Cups is here, Libra. Big change pagdating sa iyong mga kaibigan, colleagues, katrabaho, etc. The Page of Pentacles is here. I can see possible na ikaw ay either may mga bagong naiisipan na may kinalaman sa pera, or may mga mag-o-offer sa'yo ng regarding sa pera, like maybe some kind of investment. It's like their own money or etc. na nakikita natin na pwedeng magbigay din ng big change sa'yo. By the way, nakakita ko ng hipon dito, or maybe just like seafood. I don't know if you really do like seafood. But anyway, the Justice card is here. This is you, Libra. Pagdating sa iyong career, nandito ang focus ngayon, lalo na with the Ace of Swords. If you're thinking of a new business, the world is here. Honestly, malayo ang mararating mo with the world. The world is talking about malayo or something, you know, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin. Maybe yung iba, this is not business, but rather career lang, no? Career related. So, nakafocus ito sa career, communication na may kinalaman sa business. So, yan, business and career. The world is here. Malayo ang mararating mo. The Judgment is here. So, you will be talking to a lot of people. Nakikita natin na itong mga kakausapin mo na ito ay may maaaring maitulong or makakuha ka ng ideas regarding this new beginning. Okay? I'm feeling like yung mga bagay or mga taong importante sa'yo with the Ten of Wands and the Three of Swords might hurt you. So, itong mga taong malalapit sa'yo, importante sa'yo, napamahal na sa'yo, nakikita natin maaaring masaktan kanila. But you are born a fighter with the Page of Swords. You know, iisipin mo lang, pero nasa sa'yo kasi kung iisipin mo nang iisipin o mag-focus ka na lang sa pera. So, mas maganda mag-focus ka na lang sa pera, di ba? Especially with the Seven of Pentacles, I can see new money coming for you. And pagdating sa love, a lot of patience. So, if you are currently in a stable relationship, maganda yung sinasabi dito kasi napapagpasensyahan mo siya, napapagpasensyahan ka niya. So, hindi nagkakaroon ng conflict dito. Okay? So, para yun doon sa may mga stable relationship. Tell me about love. Kakonect ni Libra pagdating sa love. But anyway, yung iba ko nasa stable na namang relationship, nagtataka rin ako, bakit ka manonood ng ganito, ng love reading, diba? You are already in a stable relationship, but anyways. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Nakarinig ako ng ungot or iyak ng bata. This could be a reading. Pwede may katabi kang bata or something. Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Ace of Pentacles. This is a soulmate reading, guys. Soulmate energy. Etong soulmate mo na ito is like, may naiisipan siyang something na bago regarding sa kanyang career, and feeling niya this is something na very strong. This is something na parang kailangan kong gawin, this new beginning is like maybe could save him or her from the potential of mawala ng pera, Parang ganon. And the Justice card is here. So I don't know if this person is coming from your career or business partner. Nine of Swords is here. So nakakita tayo ng mga problema pa dito. Pwede ngayon, hindi niya maisakatuparan kung ano man ito new beginning na ito. Dahil financially, pwedeng may problema pa siya. May mga challenges pa siya. And I feel like with the Devil, pwedeng may nagko-control sa kanya. Pero meron siyang freedom to do kung ano man yung gusto niyang gawain. So, might be nagko-control or feeling niya lang kinokontrol siya nitong mga taong ito. Ganon. Kasi may freedom naman siya eh. So, anyway. Or maybe ang isa sa nagiging dahilan ay yung money issues. Or, yan, financially pwedeng hindi pa ready tong person na ito. This is really your soulmate, guys. Libra, this is your soulmate. For the sign of Libra, please. Anong emosyon mo para sa taong to? The Queen of Pentacles, the Hermit is here. This is Virgo energy. Could be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Ace of Wands, the Temperance. Pwedeng hinintay mo siya or naghintay ka sa kanya. Yung iba naman hindi eh. Nagpo-focus ka sa new beginnings. Or yung iba, you're being patient here in a way na kahit anong gawin niya, etc. Parang binabaliwala mo yon. You're focusing on, you know, your finances, career. So, kahit anong gawin ng taong ito, parang bahala na muna siya. You know, you didn't care at all. Pwedeng, hindi mo alam yung iba sa inyo kung anong dapat gawin. So, sa totoo lang ngayon, ang emotions mo is concentrated sa mga new beginnings. Okay? Especially may kinalaman sa pera. With the Hermit, you are already enlightened. You might be a very spiritual person. And kakanood mo ng mga tarot readings, no? Kahit paano, naggising-gising ka na sa katotohanan or alam mo na, you know, I really do love this energy kasi nandun yung guidance na ibinibigay sa'yo and then, na-adapt mo. Nakakita nga pala ako ng thumb or ng hinlalaki. So, I don't know, maybe you do have something in your thumb problema or maybe nakagpa-manicure ka or iniisip magpalinis ng kuko, etc. But anyway, okay lang kahit hindi, guys, ah. So, I'm feeling like you are very mature pagdating sa emotion mo ngayon. You are very mature person. Some of you pwedeng iniisip mo na lumayo or umiwas dito sa person nito kasi nagdudulot lang siya ng stress sa'yo. And with the Five of Wands, yan. Pwedeng, may pagkakagulo or pag-aaway or may mga kaguluhan ka ngayon na dapat pag-focusan mo na rather than focusing dito sa emotion mo para dito sa person nito. Kasi you have given enough. Hindi ka naman nagkulang. Binigay mo lahat. Na might be kung kinakailangan mong makipag-connect, communicate, ikaw makipag-usap, ikaw ang lumapit, etc. You have given everything. And now, maybe wala ka nang ibibigay or ayaw mo na magbigay kasi hindi ka naman nagkulang eh. Kumbaga, wala kang nakuha pabalik galing sa kanya. So, kumbaga, ikaw na rin ito na nagising sa kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, isipin, at maramdaman para dito sa person ito. So, ano ba talagang emotion niya para sa'yo? This person is full of secrets. Ayan. Maybe ang sinisikreto niya is may kinalaman sa financially, status. Oh, yeah. Pwedeng estado niya financially, pwedeng isa ito sa hindi niya ino-open up sa'yo. This person with the Page of Cups is very immature, guys. Very immature pagdating sa kanyang emotion. Hindi siya very secretive in a way na hindi niya kayang i-open up sa'yo. I feel like this person, feeling niya kailangan ka niya. What I'm seeing is like a child and a mother. You know, hindi ko sinasabing ganun kayo na para kayong mag-ina. Pero, yung relationship at yung emotion, parang ganun. Kasi yung nanay, parang, alam mo yung anak, parang kailangan ko yung nanay ko eh, kasi bata pa ako, kailangan ko ng aroganya, etc. So, yun yung feeling. Parang feeling niya, kailangan ka niya. Maybe, yung iba, maybe financially, kailangan ka niya, you can provide for him or for her, or medyo nagiging maganda ang estado niya, ang tingin sa kanya ng tao because of you. Or might be, yun na nakikita niya, magiging maganda tingin sa kanya ng mga tao because of you. Okay? What will happen in your future? You do have here the Four of Swords and the Star. Puro major arcana nalabas sa'yo, guys. Ayan. Nakamoy ako ng pabango or deodorant. This could be a reading. Four of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, the Star, and the Page of Cups. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Nakita tayo na magandang offer pagdating sa money, the Four of Cups. You might not be sure about this or you might be focused on other stuff when this thing happened. Pag nangyari ito, you are concentrated sa ibang bagay and there's an offer, particular offer para sa'yo. But you are busy, you have a lot of responsibility or you might act like one. Pwedeng umarte ka na ikaw ay busy or ikaw ay may ginagawa or ikaw ay maraming responsibilidad, marami ka pang gagawin, etc. etc. Because you don't know what this offer is. Hindi mo pa alam. But I can see an offer which is pwedeng an offer that has a potential na kahit wala kang gawin, you will earn money. This is an offer, intindihin mong mabuti yung offer ha, kasi yung offer nakikita natin, yung iba sabihin is scam, no, anuhin mo masyado, intindihin mong mabuti yung offer, and of course, I feel like this person is really watching, keeping an eye on you. At hindi niya ibibigay itong offer na ito kung hindi niya nakikita sa'yo na talaga may potential na ito ay mag-grow, may money, etc. I feel like itong person na ito is either itong offer na ito could help you na kahit wala kang ginagawa, you will earn a lot of money. I can see that you will reach your dreams through your offer. Kung anong goals mo, pangarap mo, maaaring ma-achieve mo because of this particular offer. So, tell me more for the sign of Libra. Nawawala ako minsan, no? Kasi, guys, I'm very ulyanin. I will tell you that, no, ngayon pa lang. Kaya I always write kung ano yung nire-reading ko kasi minsan habang nagre-reading ako nawawala sa akin yung sign kung ano to. Nine of Cups, this person, Three of Wands. Okay, nakakita tayong person na nag-iipon towards you. I feel like may travel dito with the Knight of Cups. Someone is going or thinking to travel towards you to have this connection with you with the Two of Cups. Gusto niya magkaroon ng connection sa iyo. Kaya nag-iipon itong si King of Cups to have this pagta-travel. So, this is someone na malayo sa iyo and this person is thinking, gusto ko na makita, gusto ko magkaroon ng partnership, relationship sa ating dalawa and I want to be successful kasama ka. And this person with the Nine of Cups is, you know, manifesting this, yung sinabi ko kanina, like maybe yung pagta-travel, minamanifest ngayon. Okay. You do have your Two of Wands, yan. May mga plano itong person ito. So, wait mo na lang kung ano ang plano nitong person ito kasi with the Chariot, definitely, may pagsugod mula dito sa taong to and this person is no longer going to wait but rather, ang nakikita natin dito is tama lang yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka na kasi naghihintay eh. Ang nakikita natin dito, siya yung naghihintay kasi may mga gusto siyang alisan. Yan. Meron siya mga hinihintay. So, maaaring kailangan niya lang munang ayusin ito para maalisan niya ito. And then, this person will go or travel towards you to have this future with you. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. And please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much and bye-bye.